Anhui JBH Medical Apparatus Company Limited, with total capital $20 million. A modernized production base of face mask. Major activities are R&D, production, and exporting high-level medical devices.
疫情就是战争，哪里有疫情，哪里就有我们。
JBH immediately increased the large scale of production lines for face mask production for supporting the combat of COVID-19. Daily production capacity of 3 million pieces of medical mask, with 4,000 square meters of 100,000 grade bacteria-free production room, 50 modernized automatic production lines. To make sure the production volume and quality of face mask production line, JBH import large quantity of advanced production machinery. Quality control from material selection to sterilization in middle of production. Every production procedure is struggling between speed and quality. JBH dedicated to have continuous and steady supply to all people under COVID-19 with quality approved face mask. JBH owns 66 patents domestically and internationally. We have built up good reputation among customers due to our steady quality and good service. ISO 9001, ISO 1345 approved, Environmental Protection Standard App, Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate, CE from the EU. Quality control is the very last line of safety to comply with medical mask requirement. JBH sets up 100,000 grade laboratory with high precision testing apparatus. In the production process of KN95 masks, we subsequently apply a BFE particle filtering efficiency test, mask bacteria filtering efficiency BFE test, dust and particle count, suspended bacteria sampling, etc. Based on various standards, constantly improvement to make sure each mask secures safety, protect and keep healthy of user. JBH would like to contribute healthy and happiness from every family to cities and countries. Anhui JBH Medical Apparatus Company Limited likes to work together with the global public, fight against all kinds of viruses, safeguard our bodily health.